Ndị be anyị daalụ nnọọ. Ọ bụ na taa wizizi ị na-afụ m. Afa m bụ Ngozika. Hello guys, if today is your first time here, my name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're all welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified, okay? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always showing up, okay? You guys have been so wonderful. Thank you for supporting me. Dalu Nurine. Inugo? Good. In today's video, we are going to look at the Igbo version of a few personal English titles, okay? These are titles that goes in front of someone's name as a sign of respect, you know, the terms of address, okay? Yes, we have the Mr., the Mrs., we have the mistress, we have the madam, we have the sir, and etc. Okay? Stay with me and enjoy yourself. Straight to the titles, okay? The first on our list is Mr. Mr. In Igbo, we say Mazi. Mazi. So, Mr. John. Mazi John. Mazi John. Mr. Alfred, Mazi Alfred, Mazi Alfred. Good. The second one is Mrs. Mrs. Oriaku, Oriaku for Mrs. Oriaku. Mrs. Alberta Okoye, Oriaku Alberta Okoye. Okay? Mrs. Alicia Okafor, Oriaku Alicia Okafor. Okay, so Mrs. Oriaku, Mrs. Oriaku, Mr. Mazi, Mr. Mazi. Good. The next one is Miss. Miss Anita, Nwada Anita. Miss Nwada, Miss Nwada, Nwada Ngozika, Miss Ngozika. Okay, good. The next one is Master. Master. Nna Ukwu, Nna Ukwu, Nna Ukwu for master. Okay, Nna Ukwu for master. My master, Nnam Ukwu. Nnam Ukwu, my master. Nnam Ukwu. Master, Nna Ukwu. Okay? Good. We have Madam. Nne Ukwu. Nne Ukwu, my madam. Nnem Ukwu. Nnem Ukwu, my madam. Nnem Ukwu. Nnem Ukwu, my madam. Master, Nna Ukwu, madam, Nne Ukwu. Okay? Then my master, Nnam Ukwu. Okay? Good. Now we have sir. Sir. Sir also translates Nna Ukwu, Nnam Ukwu. Okay? Nnam Ukwu, sir. Nnam Ukwu. Sir. Nnam Ukwu. Okay? Good. Then the last for today is Professor. Professor. Okammụta. Okammụta. Professor. Okammụta. Professor Okammụta. I told you today's video is going to be a very short one. Though short, but very, very interesting. Right? Very, very educative. Isn't it? Good. So we have Mr. Mazi. Mrs. Oriaku, Miss Nwada, Master Nna Ukwu, my master Nnam Ukwu, Nnam Ukwu. Then we have Madam Nne Ukwu, my madam Nne Ukwu. Okay? Sir Nnam Ukwu, Sir Nnam Ukwu. Then Professor Okammụta. Ọkammụta, Professor. Good. I trust you understand everything I have laid down here right now. Ama m na nkuzi nke taa baligulu rinne. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Bye.